Hello trade boosters. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to trade the EMA with candlestick patterns. Alright, candlestick patterns are some of the most underrated aspects of trading, which contributes to so much of what happens in the trading market. Alright, candlestick patterns are very important before you execute any trade. Alright, and I'll show you guys exactly how to trade that with your EMA. Now, as you already know, whenever price is above your EMA, as such, you're looking for buys. And whenever price is below your EMA, as such, you are looking for sells. All right, now let's get started. Now, you can see price is below our EMA. Now, let me just show you guys something, right? I want to show you guys something. When price is below your EMA, whenever price is printing, as such, you wanna study price pattern and candlesticks. All right. Now here are two of my favorite candlestick patterns to look for. Right. It's the engulfing candle, which is when price closes below the most previous candle. Let's say this candle is red. Let's make it red. Make it red. Let's make it red. I'm gonna make it red. Cool. That's an engulfing candle, all right? Or I see a change of character as such. Price changes character as such. Those are indications that price wants to change direction, all right? As you can see right here, I'm going to show you an example right here. As you can see, what happens eventually is that price is moving up. You see, moves down, moves up, then price eventually changes character, comes a little bit up, then drops. All right, that is our change of character I just mentioned here. Obviously, price won't always come to the top, as I've mentioned. Price can come all the way just down here and then it drops, but it depends. So that's a pattern right there. Let's go further down. And we only trade this with pullbacks, right? So when price pulls back. So I'm going to show you another example. This example is quite aggressive, so we won't really look at that. All right, cool. So you can see price, let me show what price did. Price goes up, down, up, closes below this low over here, goes up a little bit and drops. All right, you can see that pattern. That is this pattern right here. I'm just gonna move this down. This pattern over here is our change of character pattern. That is our change of character pattern. Happened again there. All right. Now let's say prices above our EMA. Let's look for more examples, right? All right, cool. You can see right here we have an engulfing candle. All right. How can you tell? You can see that the green candle overlaps the red candle. It engulfs it. It closes above it, meaning that the buy pressure is high. Therefore, we need to take a buy. So that's pretty much the two things that I look for when I'm trading my Fibonacci, my EMA with price action and candlestick patterns. Very simple. If you need more information on this strategy, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be sure to help you. Take care.